Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to solve Netflix unexpected errors. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. So what you have to do is clear the browsing data of the browser you are using to watch Netflix. So simply go to the browser. As I'm using Google Chrome, I'll simply tap on Google Chrome, and at the top right corner you can see a three dots icon. Simply tap on that, and at the third option you can see a history button. Tap on history, and now there's a blue letter called clear browsing data. Simply tap on the clear browsing data, and in the time range it's for your preference, and you can see at the basic options or the advanced options. Now simply in the advanced option, go to time range and simply tap on all time. And now at the bottom right corner you can see a blue option that is called clear data. Simply tap on clear data and then tap on clear at the right, and your browsing data will be clear. And after that, open Netflix and everything will be resolved. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.